In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove beard from photo using AI. So the first thing you want to do, you want to come to firefly.adobe.com. This is the tool we are going to be using. It's called Adobe Firefly. And then you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. And after this, click on Image down here and then click on Generative Fill. Now, once you do this, upload your image with a person that has a beard. So I'm just going to do this over here. And there we go. As you can see, here's a person with a beard. And then you want to zoom in by holding down your Control key on your keyboard and then zooming in with your mouse. And what you're going to have to do is click on Insert over here and then Add. And then make sure you just kind of draw over the beard, okay? So you can adjust the size of this brush by hovering over here and just sliding this slider over here. And basically, you will have to just select the entire beard. So just like this, you can go into detail or you can just do it like very briefly. So of course, the more in detail you will go, the better your results will be. So let me just adjust really quickly over here as well. And then when you go over this, there we go. Once you're happy with your selection, what you can then do is you can just go over here where it says prompt and enter in the prompt, just type in remove beard, okay? And then click on generate. Now what this will do is would take like a few seconds, usually like 10 to 15 or 20 seconds, and then it's going to generate you 3 different versions of this person without a beard, and it's going to do exactly what you told it to do. It's going to remove the beard. Now, as I said, the more precisely you go with this brush over here, the more precise results you will get. And as you can see, this has now already finished. So the first one looks like this. It looks very, very good actually. So it removed the beard from that person. The second one looks like this, and then the third one looks like this. You can then just essentially select the one you like the most, click on keep over here, and then your image will be set and you'll be able to just download it back to your computer. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.